Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Webull Crypto step by step clearly. Open the Webull app or visit the Webull website. If you don't have an account, select the option to sign up for a new account. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. You will receive a verification email from Webull. Check your email and click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Return to the app or website and log in using your credentials. Next, you will need to provide some personal information. Fill in your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Select your country and state of residence. Indicate your employment status and provide your income details. Make sure to answer all questions accurately for compliance purposes. Once you complete the form, review the information to ensure it's correct. Accept the terms and conditions presented by Webull. Submit your application to create your account. You may need to verify your identity through a government-issued ID. Follow the prompts to upload a clear photo of your ID. After identity verification, you will receive a confirmation email. Log into your account once you've received the confirmation. Navigate to the crypto section of the app or website. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to trade or invest in. Make your first deposit by linking your bank account. Follow the instructions to transfer funds into your Webull account. Once your funds are available, you can start trading cryptocurrency. You are now registered and ready to explore the crypto market on Webull. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.